I don't get.
As soon as I saw you, I was amazed at the way you dressed.
So how is that a love letter?
Yeah.
How is that nice? Okay.
I was amazed by the way you dressed. I was.
So was that a good amazement?
Yeah, because you were wearing red on red, so I was literally amazed. Like, oh my god, so much red.
Is that a nice letter? Okay, no. So we should be dissing in the letter.
I know.
First of all, I didn't wear any red and red when you saw me.
Maybe I've got people who can.
Even red and red is a combination.
Yeah, for
anyways, you don't know much about combinations. I remember the first time I wanted to kiss you, but you didn't let me. I wanted to kiss Opemi, and Opemi gave me the side cheek. That didn't pain me. I wanted to give her a kiss. I wanted to steal a kiss. That was going to be our first kiss. She just turned like this.
Oh my god.
Do you remember that?
I do. I remember exactly where we were. If I say where we were, then they'll know that you're a bad boy.
You know, bad boy.
You're a bad boy.
You're a very bad boy.
You're a very bad boy.
You're a bad boy. Have you seen that clip?
Yes, now you showed it.
Okay, I showed it to you.
That's what I said.
You're a very bad boy.
So yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome back to our channel.
I go by the name Ayo.
And I go by the name Ope.
And together we are called
Ayo Ope.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're well.
Yeah.
Hope you're good. Okay, we are back with another one. Back like we never left.
Yeah.
Okay, we're excited to be back actually. We spent the last couple of weeks or months actually just celebrating each other, celebrating
Months,
our birthdays. Months, is it? Celebrating our birthdays, because for those that don't know, I'm born in the month of May.
And
my wife is born in the month of June. And we have children as well that are also born in the month of May. So quite a lot of celebrations.
Yeah. Father's Day. Don't forget yourself, baby. Give yourself a pat on the back,
It's so funny that my birthday, Opemi's birthday, usually falls on Father's Day or around Father's Day. So a lot of the time, we don't even get to do too much of Father's Day like that.
No, but tell them though, you get your gifts.
Yeah.
You get your gifts, you get your love.
Do I get my gifts? Did I get any gifts this Father's Day?
Do you want me to remind you of the gift?
Oh, yeah, I did get...
Imagine.
I did get a gift. I mean, but usually I try not to make it about me because I believe
you received the gifts though. You try not to make it about you, but you receive it. Oh, baby, you shouldn't have. Guys, you shouldn't have.
You shouldn't have now. But it's always a good gesture. Even though you bought me boxers as usual. I'm joking.
But boxers is good now.
But there was a time you were giving me boxers.
And there was a time you were giving me pants.
When did I give you pants?
You were giving me pants and bra.
When did I give you pants and bra?
You've given me pants and bra as present before, baby.
Oh yes, nice, sexy lingerie.
Yeah, me too. I'm giving you nice, sexy lingerie. I'm giving you nice, sexy boxers.
Thank God you've upgraded, Ladies, you can do better. Please stop buying your men always buying boxers. Every gift.
Baby.
Father's Day you buy boxers. Valentine's Day you buy singlets. Then birthday again you can do something.
I'm gonna buy pajamas.
But yeah, no, obviously I know that you always spoil me with your gifts,
exactly.
And I appreciate that. Alright? More appreciate you.
Appreciate me.
Alright. If you're new to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, this is who we are. Okay, we just come on here to share our experience. Okay, we believe that we have something good going on. And whatever you receive is an extension of what we have within.
What?
Alright, so if you're new to the channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're certified marriage and relationship coaches. We share a lot of nuggets, a lot of tips, as well as, show you a glimpse into our world, alright, of love, dating, marriage, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so
what have we got today?
What are we doing today?
Today, I thought we'd do something a little different.
Something a little something.
A little something.
A little something.
Oh, God.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Well, go on, bro.
A shower.
So, I thought that we'd do a little challenge today. A challenge that I've seen before, but I said let's add our little twist to it. So,
because we don't do normal.
We are normal. We're actually normal.
We do extra. extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
We don't do ordinary.
Extraordinary things. I was gonna say. Okay. Sorry.
What song is that? I don't even know. I don't know what this song. Please,
you know when you hear some songs on Instagram and you think you know them, but you actually just chew them out.
Exactly, because I don't even know who sings that song or anything like that. Okay,
anyway,
let's just do the video.
Sorry, Emma Binu, guys. Sorry, this is how we are. You just take us like that. Anyway.
Oh please, don't start doing that talk. Don't start doing that talk that every Nigerian influencer or actor does.
Well,
that Jennifer, I feel like it's a Jennifer.
But what's the problem with it? I don't understand. What's the problem?
There's no issue, but it's becoming too much. Please.
It's no problem. So just leave us like that.
You're better than that, basically. Because everybody's doing it now, and I feel like you can be funny without speaking funny, if that makes sense. So you're funnier than that, baby. Come on.
I don't take you saying me, because I'm way funnier than you. So you telling me that is nothing that gingers me or makes me feel good about myself.
So no,
stop.
Please let us just dive into the video for today. Anyways, I think it's a fun video today, so it's good that you're making us have a little bit of fun.
No, it's about fun. It is about fun, but you know, Ayo and Ope, we like to have fun but draw a bit of a lesson from it. Right. So, like I said, what we're doing is the ABC challenge, but we're gonna twist it a little bit, and we're gonna turn it into a love letter to each other, because I believe spouses once in a while should, gas each other up, ginger each other up.
So what do you mean by love letter to, like? So
we're gonna literally go from ABC. We're gonna say a sentence each, but
sentence.
Okay,
not a word.
You can do more than you're a man of many words. You're a lyricist.
Yeah, my lady.
Oh, my lady. So it's hard.
Be a little bit hard.
It's hard for you to say nice things about your wife.
Following the alphabets.
What's hard about it?
I don't know. I mean, I'm a lyricist.
You're
Come
a
on.
lyricist.
I'm a lyricist.
So we challenge you guys to do it as well. If anything, you will laugh with and at each other at the very minimum. But at the most of it, at the far end of it, you will actually get to compliment each other. Who knows? Even after this, you might even get a little son.
A little son. Are you trying to say something in between? That's what she does.
I don't want anything.
Just be direct. Talk to me direct.
Everybody go to bed, please.
Talk to me direct.
Everybody go to bed.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you see me tearing up, it is not because my wife is doing anything, horrible to me in the background. It's because I've got hay fever. Okay, so you might see me tearing up from time to time. It's not because she's funny, first of all, and it's also not because she's hurting me. Okay, my wife doesn't do that. All right, but she can be
not out of the bedroom anyway.
Please, if you're hurting anybody in the bedroom, it's not good though. Don't. Anyways, guys, okay, let us dive.
Oh my god.
Let us dive into the video for today. Okay. All right. So yeah, you go first.
I'll go first.
So you start with letter A now.
Yes. Yeah? As soon as I saw you.
Say it now.
As soon as I saw you, finish the sentence.
No, we're not finishing sentences.
No, baby, this is why I don't like playing games with you. This is what I mean. No. Oh, get instruction here now.
It's not that I would finish your sentence for you. You start and say the romantic.
No, baby, do the game.
No, but you need to say the romantic love letter now. As soon as you saw me, what happened? I don't get.
As soon as I saw you, I was amazed at the way you dressed.
Sorry, how is that a love letter?
Yeah.
How is that nice? Okay.
I was amazed by the way you dressed. I was.
So was that a good amazement?
Yeah, because you were wearing red on red, so I was literally amazed. Like, oh my god, so much red.
Is that a nice letter? Okay, no. So we should be dissing in the letter.
I know.
First of all, I didn't wear any red and red when you saw me.
Maybe I've got people who can.
Even red and red is a combination.
Yeah.
Anyways, you don't know much about combinations.
You just heard what I said. Okay, no, he doesn't do such. He doesn't do such. Okay.
So, it's my turn now.
Yes.
Okay.
B.
Oh, B.
Yes.
And letter.
Yeah.
Okay. So letter B, yeah. By the way, I love the way you kiss me.
Oh gosh. Can I kiss
Quickly.
you now?
Do you really need to ask me? Just do it.
Oh my god! Every time, kiss, kiss, kiss. Every time, kiss, kiss, kiss.
Oh, that's you.
Yes.
For your information, I don't just kiss anyone. I only kiss my wife. I only kiss you.
Okay. Great to hear. Because if you did, I'd be very angry.
Are we responding or are we saying the love letters? Because it's two things. I feel like
this guy, he likes to overthink things, you know. He's the type of person that you tell him a rule, and if you change it just a little bit, he's like, no, let's start again.
Because I'm thinking about it like, is it gonna just be a conversation that will flow anyhow?
Yes.
And say whatever we want to say.
Yes.
Okay, let's carry on.
Okay.
Where are we now?
Oh, hey, yeah. So you wanted to gather your alphabet so that you knew.
No, yeah, because I thought it would be. Yeah,
okay, alright, sorry, love, sorry.
I mean, I didn't gather anything, but.
Okay.
So where are we now?
For your information, G, so it's me.
Okay.
No, I said something.
Yeah, I said for your information.
For your information, what?
I can't remember. But I said for your information.
And then I said G, didn't I? Great.
Yeah, great something. That's
so
what
you're
said.
I now. No, G, H.
H.
Oh,
Have you ever been so much in love that you actually forget to look after yourself?
Indomitable love? What is indomitable love?
What is indomitable love? Okay. So is that you're
yes,
done?
indomitable love. It's just the fact that no, you guys. He's actually putting a lot of time.
Yeah, because I'm trying to be creative here.
Woo me.
You know.
Woo me. Must you squint your eye like hello Kuche? That's not part of it, by the way. I'm done. I'm actually done with you. I can't.
Just because you sleep with me just because you sleep with me doesn't mean that you shouldn't respect me.
Kill that talk.
No, we have to do this thing again, I'm telling you.
No.
Let's say love letters, let's say nice things. And say it in a love letter way.
So you want to start again?
I believe so, I don't know.
Okay.
So guys, rewind. We want to start again.
Again.
And actually
because Ayo really wants me to
letters.
gas him up. Ayo Bami, you are the love of my life. See, I can be serious.
Beauty. They say is in the eye of the beholder.
Oh gosh. No, please, I want original lyrics. Please, I don't want anyone's lyrics. Don't give me beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Like my hand is in the life of Jehovah.
Beauty, they say, is in the eye of the beholder. But I feel like you're so beautiful.
Okay.
Heaven and earth recognize it.
Oh God.
That was good though. That was good.
It wasn't your best, but it was okay. It was okay. It's alright, you get better. You've got all the way to Z. Can't believe that we're approaching 10 years in marriage already. It feels like 10 days.
No, we are approaching 10 years. We're already 10 years now, but the anniversary is... Okay, I get you. Okay.
Just receive the love.
Okay. I receive it.
Good. Oh yeah. D.
Destiny.
Oh God. Baby, you're trying to be deep. Just flow. Just.
Why should that not be deep?
Don't go deep and get lost, though, because you're just doing destiny. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Creation of the universe.
Okay. So where are we? We're still in D now.
D. Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then why do you have to look? Is there something up there that looking for? You know what's doing it? And he'll say he's not crying because I'm funny. Oh.
Don't you with your girlfriend but start like me.
Ow!
So D, do you know that I love you so much I could catch a grenade for you?
Oh my God. Lord have mercy. I'm done. I'm actually done. Baby, let me help you. Okay, let me E. Everything about us makes me excited. Like, come on.
I
You
love
have to
that.
find it from your heart.
I love that. I love
Your
that.
heart. Oh God, you don't lick lips.
For you, I'll do anything.
Baby, stop giving song lyrics. Stop giving song lyrics.
How is that song
No,
lyrics?
that is Monica. I will do anything for you. I will.
Okay, let me finish.
Right.
For you, I'll do anything. I'll climb the highest mountain, Kilimanjaro. That was actually my lyrics, so.
Climb the highest mountain, Kilimanjaro.
Eh.
My love for you, no be my mind.
Not confirm.
Oh my love.
Those days I was writing love songs.
You're writing.
But yeah, so for you, I will do the impossible. I'll go to any length to please you.
Okay, even though that was a bit of the Adidas. Yeah, call me Adidas. Impossible is nothing.
Is that what the Adidas thing is?
Yes, impossible is nothing.
Okay, I didn't even know that. I don't do Adidas, please. I don't do cheap.
Make them not bring it.
Let Adidas not come for us and remove our endorsement, isn't it?
Exactly. Okay, so what's your last one?
I just said for you, right?
Oh,
so
for
F
you. Okay.
So G. Quickly, you're too slow. Let's make it quick.
Going through the storm and I won't hold out.
Should have said you should use song lyrics.
Yeah, no, because that's what
Because that's what you're doing.
No, that's what you're doing, baby. Anyway, let me be serious now. Growing old with you is one of my favorite thoughts. I didn't give you lyrics. Just they told
Because
me.
I'm a fine boy,
No,
you mean, like, you know.
no, I didn't give you lyrics.
No, even in old age, you know, we're still gonna be
You have your grey beard.
grey beard. Trust me, I'm actually looking forward to when I'm 60, 70.
Oh, wow.
You know, the boy will still be
Hands.
unhealthy,
Oh
kind of
shit, amen.
Okay, so I like that. That was a good one.
Of course you
Again, I'll give you credit if you do something nice, you know.
I beg, just please. Just say your song lyric and let's be going. Okay.
I feel like I need to get into, anytime I look like that and I squint or whatever, I feel like I need to get into character. Because otherwise, if I'm laughing or whatnot, then it's not going to flow. So I need to condition myself.
Baba for me lyrics,
So hey, yeah?
Yes. Hey, beautiful. I know you. You're saying, hey, beautiful.
Oh, stop. Let me, you just spoil my flow now.
Okay. Why?
Let me tell you.
Where?
How can I express? How can I express this deep love I feel for you?
God.
How can I let you know that you're the woman I would always love? How? Tell me how.
Tell me why ain't nothing but because you're taking, I don't know what lyric that from, what song.
I do not take it from anywhere.
Okay. Alright, H, how, yeah? I. Okay.
And don't say any indomitable or noodles.
In the near future, I'd like us to do some daring and adventurous tasks to build our relationship. What?
How is that a love?
That's a plan for our love. Okay, let me think. Okay.
And which daring task do you want to do? This one, the little things that I'll say we should do, you'll be running. But your mind, I feel like your mind wants something, but your liver does not carry the things that your mind wants.
We are the same.
No, we are not the same,
We are
please.
the same.
I've done a lot more adventurous stuff than you.
Like what? Go-karting. What? There's nothing. What have you done that I haven't done?
I've done some adventurous stuff.
What have you done that I haven't done?
I've gone on some rides.
Say it.
Adventurous rides.
Say it.
I do water sports.
What water sports?
Which you don't
having
do.
a bath is not a water
because you
sport.
don't know how to swim. Because by the way, guys, thank you, Jesus.
Baby, let's move on. Let's move on.
Okay, quickly.
I love you.
That's a bit boring, but
Excuse me.
I'll take it.
Yeah, take it.
I know you love me, but
Take
that's the whole essence. Express your love in a nice way.
Take it. Oh yeah, J.
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 Joker.
Ow!
Let me see, J.
It's there that you normally find things. Oh God.
Just you and I. Just you and I in a romantic environment in a nice...
Baby, so what's the difference between what I did and what you just did? No, you have to change it.
How?
A love letter. A love letter.
Yeah, just you and I in a beautiful, warm atmosphere is what I picture right now. Just you and I kissing, expressing our love for each other in a beautiful holiday destination.
Okay, don't do. You can't take all the letters.
That's what
Okay.
I'm feeling like.
Okay. All right. Kissing. I do love when you kiss me. Kissing. I do love when you kiss me.
Do you really?
Is that the next? Is that the next? L.
Let me show you
Oh God.
how much I love you. Let me show you how much I adore you.
Okay.
Let me take you to places you only see on TV.
I know you well enough. I know you.
Let me pour my love on you. Let me give you my seed so you can give and
God.
reproduce.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Let me just be moving on. Let's be M.
As you just said them, I have like 6 that.
Oh yeah, say them then. Say them.
No,
Say them. Say them.
no,
Say
no.
them.
Let me give you an opportunity now. Say your M now. If not, then
my support system is what you are, and I appreciate that.
what came to mind for M for me was make love to me all night. Show me how much you miss me.
Guys, please warn Ayo because we're all going to bed after this. Please.
Okay.
Please.
N. Never have I ever.
Disrespect.
Never have I ever dreamt or imagined to be married to such a beautiful
Damsel. Go on, say
woman
damsel.
like you.
Go say damsel. Okay. O. Opeyemi Davis is my name. Thank you for giving me the name. Thank you for giving me the title wife.
With title wife.
The title wife.
Oh, okay. No, but you're introducing
No,
yourself.
no argue.
Because can see that she's cheating.
How much?
Okay, what's the next one now?
For the first time, baby, actually, you're not cheating in this. Well done. Well done. No, seriously, this really is a new level of maturity.
Oh my god.
Because you know you like to cheat in games.
Sometimes, to be honest, sometimes I don't know how I survived 10 years with this woman.
That's not the letter. We're not on letter
Well, that's
S.
too much.
We're not on letter S.
Okay, so we are.
N.
No. You don't sabi alphabet.
My name is Opemi Davis.
So after O is N.
I didn't do O, it was
You
M.
didn't do. That's what I'm saying. It was O that we did.
No, I did M.
You said you started with Opeyemi Davis is my name, and that was O.
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry.
It's ready to send you back to kindergarten.
Oh my god. Okay, all right.
P.
Please,
Please me, baby. Yeah. Please me, baby.
Quit making sexual insinuations. Okay?
No, please don't go back to.
Quit making
Don't go back to
the non-love
responding.
letters.
We are responding in love.
Okay. Queen of my heart. Queen.
Doesn't have to be queen now.
What other letter begins with Q?
Ah.
Question. Tell me how you feel about me. What else? Queen. Question. What else? Q is actually quite hard.
He's not hard now.
Oh yeah, give me the 6 then that you have.
No, I didn't tell you that I have 6.
Quarter of a century is our next big milestone.
Okay. Is that our next big milestone?
Yeah, 25 years.
Why? What happened to 20?
Do people celebrate 20?
Don't people celebrate 20 years?
No, I think it's 10, 25.
No, I believe it's 10, 20, and then 25.
Oh, okay, more party then. Party know this. More party then. I didn't know that. Yeah, because I thought it was 10 and 25. Okay, all right. Q R.
R. Remember when we first met?
Yes.
Remember our first Valentine's Day?
Yes, you gave me purple on purple.
Remember our first kiss?
We didn't kiss until marriage.
I remember the first time I wanted to kiss you, but you didn't let me. I wanted to kiss Opeyemi, and Opeyemi gave me the side cheek. Ah, that didn't pain me. I wanted to give her a kiss. I wanted to steal a kiss. That was going to be our first kiss. She just turned like this.
Oh my god.
Do you remember this?
I do. I remember exactly where we were. If I say where we were, then they'll know that you're a bad boy. You know,
bad boy.
You're a bad boy.
You're a very bad
You're
boy.
a very bad boy.
You're a bad boy. Have you seen that clip?
Yes, now you showed it.
Okay, I showed it to you.
That's what I said.
You're a very bad boy.
So yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're a bad boy. Yes, sir. So yeah, I wanted to steal the kiss, and then she gave me that, you know. But yeah, remember. So remembering all of these things actually, you know, puts a smile on my face. Yeah. It
Do you remember when I nearly friend zoned you?
Oh, too bad. Metal lie, oh, too bad.
You won't hurt your tongue. No, you won't hurt.
Oh, too bad.
Too bad. Okay, my turn now. QR.
But did you ever? You never ever saw that?
Baby, that story.
I think right from when you met me,
Baby,
you know
that story for
this
another
guy.
day. I guess who
You never thought you would friend zone me or I'll be a friend zone guy. Because I'm your dream guy, innit? I'm your dream guy.
Anyways, so I'm S, right?
Yeah.
Why are you looking at me expectant?
No.
Don't let me fall handle.
Can't
Anyway.
expect much.
Seeing you age.
I know the age, I beg you, please stop up. Stop up. I'm not aging.
Everyone is aging.
Me, I'm aging backwards.
Okay.
Come on.
Seeing you grow and mature.
So I know mature before.
Seeing you grow. Maybe no, seriously, okay. But like you see, and you say I'm not funny. Seeing us evolve and grow over the years gives me confidence in our future. You don't do that. You're not you're not marking my work. You're not marking
I'm marking your work now. I'm checking. Did this one enter or did it not enter?
Because
I'm like, okay.
What about your ones? So
Not
many
bad.
ones I did let my people go.
No.
Yes.
All my ones they enter.
Remember.
Okay.
Remember what?
T. Totori me one time.
You see? You see? Do you see, guys? You see? Can you see? And then the thing is, you'll be saying you're the most romantic out of us. I've been giving you lyrics since. You've been giving me Destiny's Child. You've been giving me Backstreet Boys. You've been giving me different lyrics all the time. If you like, give me Two-Face song next.
Totori me one time. Toto. Okay, T. Tell me.
Okay. Tell me, what can I do? See? Catch your red. See?
I can't live without.
You've lost it. You've lost it.
I don't understand.
You've lost
you didn't even let me land.
No. You've lost it. I've been looking at you from A to T. There's nothing that you've done that made me go, hey!
Take me as your brother.
See? Do you see, guys?
Take me. Just take me like that. Take me like that. Take me as I am.
Take me as I see. Someone else look. Someone else T you.
Wait, no, I've not done my T. Have I done my T?
That's what your T
Let me finish now. Sorry, I was gonna say tell me, like,
yes.
tell me what I can do. Tell me what you want.
Okay.
Tell me your heart's desire.
Okay.
Because I would do anything for you.
Against someone else's lyrics.
Yes.
I will
That's
do
because
anything.
that is because the people writing lyrics are doing what? Using the same sort of words.
Why? You are the one for me.
Before Uncle.
Z.
Z.
Yes. Make it work. Make it count.
Z is hard now.
Make it count.
Z happens to be the last letter of the alphabet. But you are my first and my last.
Oh God.
Come on, that was good though. That was good. You're my first and my last. Like, you're the first woman
That's very
I've
unoriginal.
ever fallen in love with.
That's very unoriginal.
And you're the last woman I'm ever falling in love with. You're the first woman to be my wife and the last woman to be my wife.
Well done, baby.
You're literally my first of many things.
First to teach you English.
And you're my last
First to take you to the gym.
I'm not going to have that experience with any other person.
Amen.
And that's how much I love you.
Oh.
So you're my first. I mean, God is the first and the last, but you are my first and last.
Baby, this is even someone's lyrics. So
How is this someone's lyrics? Which?
my first, my
That's what I'm saying. I promise you, I've never heard this song before. That's what I'm telling you, because as a...
Maybe that's what will get me annoyed if you say you've not heard the song.
I've never heard it before. But as a creative, right? That is how our minds work. Do you understand? So, there's nothing that you want to think of that somebody hasn't thought of.
I don't want to disagree with you. Because I know come this life to the...
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen.
That's why we said, at the end of the day, even if you don't get to Z...
I got to Z, and I did well.
At least you'll laugh with each other, and that's the point. You know, just sit down, instead of putting a movie on, just sit down, face each other and do this. You would laugh. I love
So we challenge you, ladies and gentlemen, go and play the game. Write your love letters. You can decide to write it.
Maybe that's even easier.
Yeah, but obviously when you write it, you have more time to think and all that. You can write it and then you can exchange and then talk about it. You can play it in so many ways, isn't it? But we decided to kind of just, again, you can see that we didn't rehearse this.
Yeah.
As if we had, obviously, we would have done better. You know, but anyways, you know. No competition.
Rude.
We're here to compliment each other.
Yes, exactly.
And not compete. Alright? So, all in all, I just want to say I love you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Likewise.
It's been 10 beautiful years. But let me leave that to the anniversary confessions.
Likewise.
We'll start to express, you know, our
deep, our innermost, out of our bellies shall flow. No, since you want to be doing lyrics out of our bellies.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.
Just breathe upon me, Ayo and Ope.
Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, alright? And we shall see you in the next video. Bye.
ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́.